on, SpongeBob, the race is about to start! Wow, it's so big, Patrick! And we're gonna see it all! Hurry! Go, racers, go! You got this! Looking good, buddy! Wow, that's incredible speed! Amazing! I want a motorcycle too, Patrick. It would be so cool! You want a motorcycle? Seriously? Yeah, why not? Imagine us riding home on bikes like that. Oh, no. But wait! I can use all this cardboard to build myself a motorcycle!
Almost got it.
Ooh, wow, Patrick, that's amazing.
Just need to smooth this edge.
It's perfect. Almost got this part perfect. Looking good, Patrick. You're a cardboard artist. Yeah. Just need to smooth this bit. Awesome job, my friend. Perfect. All right, SpongeBob, we did it! We made the best motorcycle ever! I'm so proud! Woohoo! Woo! Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Look at me go! Oh, yeah! Yeah! What is that? Is that made of cardboard? Oh, why would you say that? It looks like a lunchbox strapped to wheels. All right, SpongeBob, how about a race? A race? A race? You're on. Let's do it. Ready? On your mark, get set, go! I'm in the lead! I'm gonna win! Oh no! This can't be happening! Yeah! Woohoo! Look at us go! We're really moving now!
I told ya! My motorcycle is the fastest, kid!
You won't get away from me! All right, time to step on the gas. What? No, you can't. Watch me now. Oh, no. Woohoo! I'm taking the lead.
Don't even think about beating me, kid!
Ah! You won't outrun me. Ah! Ah! That's what you get. Oof. Oh, ouch. Oh, my head. Please wait. Later, loser. Don't cry, SpongeBob. It's okay. But my motorcycle? Hey, we can build a new one together. All right, buddy, look at all this treasure. Whoa, Patrick, a rusty racer. Perfect. Let's start with that frame. All right, SpongeBob, got the materials. Ooh. Awesome work, Patrick. Let's build something great. Almost there. Go, Patrick, go. Ah! Got it! All right, we did it. Ah, yes, a fine specimen.
This belongs here.
And this one goes over there. Perfect.
Arg, come on.
You can do it, Patrick. Oops. Oh, no. Are you okay?
It won't budge.
Maybe we should try something else. With these parts, we can build the coolest motorcycle ever. Yeah, the coolest. Just imagine the adventures. Ready when you are.
Almost there.
Wow, you did it, Patrick. Good job.
Almost got it.
Wow. I didn't think you could do it. Bam! Perfect. Ready to ride? I guess we'll find out. Almost there.
You got it, Patrick.
Just a little bit more.
Yes, perfect.
All done.
Oh, all right, Patrick.
Time for a custom paint job. Yeah! Make it pop! Okay, let's make this thing a rocket. Yeah, Patrick, hit the turbocharge button. Almost there. Whoa, check that out. We did it. All right, ready to ride. Wow, this is the best test drive ever. Wahoo! Look at this thing go. He's a natural. Heh, think you can handle this, SpongeBob? Race you to the finish. You're on, Foxy. Let's do this. All right, everyone, get ready for an amazing race. This is gonna be epic. Let's do it. I will crush you, kid!
best, but I still lost.
Losing doesn't mean you failed. It means you learned something today.
We did it! #1! Champions!
I'm so sorry, SpongeBob, for breaking your cardboard motorcycle.
It's okay, Fox. I forgive you. It was just an accident.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for your support.
Yay! Thank you. Bye.
All right, the cardboard's here. Let's make that F1 car. Yeah, Patrick, let's do it. Zoom, zoom.
Measure twice. Cut once. You got it, Patrick. Very precise.
Almost there. Just one more connection.
Are you sure about this, Patrick? It looks, complicated.
That looks perfect, Patrick. Just need to get this last bit right here. Yep, that's gonna hold great. Come on, Patrick, faster! I'm trying, SpongeBob. It's working.
Yeah, it is.
We're really moving. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm going so fast.
The weather is really beautiful today.
Look at this. Is that supposed to be a car? It's just a cardboard box. It's a work in progress. It'll get there. What is that? A box car? It's my racing car. Laughs. You're joking, right? Oh no. Whoopee! Whoopee! Ah! Ouch, my head.
Don't worry, SpongeBob. I'll make you a new one. The best F1 race car ever.
A new one? Really, Patrick?
All right, SpongeBob, this is it, the F1 junkyard. Whoa, it's bigger than I thought. Just the place for materials. See that engine block? Oh, it's perfect. Oh, Patrick. Ooh, take that. No. Oh!
Ah, yes, a fine specimen.
This belongs here.
And this one goes over there. Perfect.
Almost there.
You got it, Patrick.
Yeah, raw materials.
Woohoo, Patrick! All right, SpongeBob, let's get these wheels on the cart. Oh boy, here it comes, Patrick. One more to go.
Nice work. Now let's move them out.
With all this, we can totally build an F1 car.
Oh yeah, maybe even better than a regular one.
Just imagine us speeding through Bikini Bottom.
Almost got it. Wow.
I didn't think you could do it.
Bam.
Perfect. Ready to ride? I guess we'll find out. Here's your water, Patrick.
Thanks, buddy. That really hits the spot.
Back to welding?
You bet. Careful, Patrick. You're gonna grind right through it. No. Nonsense, SpongeBob. Just gotta make it shine.
Almost done, SpongeBob. Wow, Patrick, it looks amazing. Set the compression to 15 bar.
Got it. Optimizing the boost curve now.
Perfect. Locking parameters.
Let's race.
We did it, Patrick.
Yeah, buddy.
She's beautiful. Ready to race? All right, we did it. Look, everyone.
Go, SpongeBob! Fantastic driving!
I will defeat you this time. Is that a joke, little sponge? No joke, Fox. I am winning this race. Go. I'm taking the lead. Not if I can help it. I'm gonna win this race. Freeze! Take that!
I'm coming through.
Not if I can help it.
Yeah, beat that. Oh, man.
I'll get ahead, SpongeBob. Nope, steady as she goes.
Not so fast, SquarePants. Ah! He's too fast.
I am always the winner.
Whoa! Almost lost it. Phew, that was
close. Keep steady. Keep steady.
I am ready! Prepare to lose, you sneaky fox! What are you doing? Yeah, I did it! I won! He won! We did it, Patrick! We won the championship!
Yeah, we won.
Teamwork makes the dream work! High five!
It's okay, my son. Losing is part of learning.
I'm sorry, Dad.
I'm really sorry about your car.
Aw, don't worry about it, buddy. I forgive you.
Thanks! Thank you all so much for watching!
Good morning, world. Oh, what a day. Yay! Breakfast. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. You're welcome, dear. Enjoy. I'm so hungry. Hey, that's mine. Hey! Bye. Gotta run. Apples, please. Oh, ring-a-ding-ding. Fresh apples here. Wow. Wow, this apple is delicious.
Whoa! What happened to your stomach?
I'm okay, just feeling full. Time for a snack.
My fruit! No! Please don't! Delicious!
Chocolate. Fresh chocolate.
Where did all the fruit go? Hey, chocolate cat!
Hello.
Chocolate!
Oh, goodness. Yum, yum, more please. Hey, that's enough. Ow.
No, my chocolate balls! Stop! All that work!
Delicious, so good, more.
More! Must have more food. I'm starving.
Time is short. I need to find the Krabby Patties. Ah!
Woohoo! Got it! Stop him! He's got the chocolate!
Look out, here I come! Ah! Run, it's a monster sponge! Oh no! Oh my gosh! Hey, you! What did you do? I'm so... Let's find food. Gotta get to the back. Wow! Oh boy, this is the best Krabby Patty ever! I can't believe it! He keeps eating! Nom nom nom, nom 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 nom! Oh my god! I don't believe it!
Help! They're eating everything! Please send someone! Sponges! Yes, talking sponges!
Num.
Cat, stay calm. Secure the area. We're on our way now.
Oh no! What is that? It's a snake!
Get back.
Back away now!
Everything. Got it. Let's roll.
Ow, 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 my aching everything! Please hurry!
We're almost there. Hang on.
Hang in there, SpongeBob, we're going as fast as...
Don't worry. Just a minor miscalculation. Let's get you back to your old self.
Distressed crying and whimpering.
Oh, my darling. I've missed you so much. I am so happy running in the city.
Oh boy, an ice cream truck! Yes, over here, come on! Hello, friends! Come on over and and taste the delicious ice creams. The most delicious ice creams are right here. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! He's here! I've been waiting all day for this.
Here you go, sweet kitty. Here is the world's most delicious ice cream. Enjoy!
Oh boy! my favorite! Mmm! Delicious! Oh no! My ice cream!
Oh no! Not my ice cream! Oh, they're everywhere! Oh, it's gone!
Woohoo! Home at last! I'm here!
Wow! Oh my god! Yeah! Yeah! This is the best!
Oh, my stomach! I shouldn't have eaten all that ice cream.
Oh my goodness, my little baby, what happened to you?
No! No, not this again! Why me? Why am I an ant? Well, I want my normal legs back!
Welcome to the SpongeBob emergency room.
Need a doctor now.
One moment, please. We'll get you inside.
No, not the doctor! Please, don't leave me here! Help! Anyone! Please!
You won't take my spatula! Yeah! No more experiments! Prepare to be scrubbed! Calm down, everyone. I am here. We will solve all the problems, and we will heal the kitten.
I will not be contained! Nothing can stop me! This room is mine! Alarms out!
You are defeated, foul creature!
Wait, it feels good!
Help! Finally, I'm back! Oh, thank Neptune, I'm back! Woohoo! Yahoo! Ah, that's better. Wait, what's happening? No. No. No, please no.
Help! No! Oh, no! Get away from me!
Help! Get away from me! Wait, please, don't run. I just want a hug. No, you're a spider sponge. No hugs. I'm lonely. Take that, you horrible thing. Stay back. No, please, stop. Never. Help, somebody help.
Don't worry, it'll be okay. Please, no. There, all done.
This is unbelievable. Oh, I can't believe what is happening to my child.
These are all the things my kitten loves the most. I'm sure he's gonna be so happy.
I think you should see this.
No way.
Where am I? What's happening to me? I don't belong here!
start a mission to help the kitten return home. Everyone, think of a way we can help the kitten.
Help! Help! Faster, run! Just a little further there!
I'm transforming. Hurry!
Move, 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 move!
Doctor, he needs help. What?
That the potion should work. Wow, I'm back. Thank you.
That one?
It's a big choice.
Wow, that looks like so much fun. I have to get one of those. Whoa!
I can't wait to drive my jet ski. It's gonna be so much fun.
Patrick, what if we made a canoe out of that old crate?
A canoe? That sounds great!
Look at all these cans, Patrick.
Whoa!
We're gonna build the best canoe ever, SpongeBob. To the workshop.
I can't wait to try out the new canoe! Me too! I think we'll catch a lot of fish!
Okay, here are the cans.
Nice. I'll take this red one.
I've got the green. Let's make some ingredients. Look at them go. Ooh.
Just need a steady hand!
Wow, that's amazing, Patrick.
Ready for another one? Time to recycle this one. Wow.
All right, time to focus.
Patrick.
You think it'll work, Patrick? Absolutely, SpongeBob. It's perfect.
I guess we'll find out.
Wow, look at it. Respect. It's perfect. We did it. Yes, we did. Wow, this is amazing. Look, Patrick. Go, SpongeBob, go! You've got this! Wanna go canoeing? It's gonna be a blast. Canoeing? I don't know, SpongeBob. Oh, come on, it'll be amazing. All right, fine, let's do it. Woohoo! This is amazing! Yeah, buddy! Faster!
You're really fast, kitten. Don't blink. Here I go.
Woohoo! This is amazing! Yeah! You got it! Hey! Look at us go! Almost there! Woohoo! This is awesome! You got that right! Let's go faster! Yeah!
Wait, watch this. I'm going first.
Let's play a super exciting jet ski log hopping game. Log hopping? Are you serious? Yes, jump over them. It'll be a blast. All right, fine, let's do it. Look, there's a challenging course ahead. Let's go through it. Woohoo! This is amazing. Oh no! Oh,
My boat! Ooh, it's ruined!
help! Help! I need help! Help! I'm sinking!
Don't worry, I've got you!
Thanks, you're a lifesaver!
Don't worry, SpongeBob. I promise we'll make an even better canoe together.
All right, Bob. Here's the perfect place to start.
Whoa, look at all this stuff.
Found it. Ready to build?
I think I found something. Wow, it's an old engine. Yeah, it is.
Ow! Look at these plates. They're perfect. They'll be perfect for the new canoe. Absolutely. Best material we found. Look at that!
Whoa.
Just right! Ooh, look there! Perfect! Almost done!
Oh, no! Oh!
Wow, that looks amazing, Patrick.
I know! Another masterpiece.
Whoa, amazing. How did you do that?
Practice, Sponge! Lots and lots of practice!
Want to try the new canoe? Oh, I don't know. Is it safe? Totally. It's super fun. All right, let's do it. Isn't this great? Yeah, it is. Faster, faster. Hey. Okay. All right, got it. Yes, another haul. Great job. We're making a real difference. Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hello there, Mr. Fox. What a fine day for harvesting. Yeah. Good morning, SpongeBob. Enjoying the weather? Wow, this is incredible. I wish I had a harvester like this too.
No harvester. There's no point in going back now.
Patrick, I don't know how we're gonna get it. Leave it to me, SpongeBob, I promise.
Oh, Patrick, you're the best. You got it, buddy.
Look, SpongeBob, all these cans. Ugh.
We can build a harvester out of these, Patrick.
A giant one, buddy. Just imagine. All right, ready, Patrick? Let's clean up this mess.
You got it, SpongeBob. Let's make this warehouse sparkle.
Bam! Look at this stack I got. And we'll make it big. Egg! It's gonna be the greatest harvester ever built. Absolutely. Just wait till we get home.
Patrick! What are you doing?
All done.
We were supposed to dump those outside.
And here's the harvester, SpongeBob. Wow, Patrick, it's amazing. What's this part? That's the engine. Runs on kelp. Incredible.
Nice job, Patrick. Keep it steady.
Hopefully this does the trick. Just one more little adjustment. Oh, schmon. This better work. Wow, Patrick, it's finally finished. It's amazing, SpongeBob. We really did it.
Goodbye, SpongeBob. Goodbye, Patrick. Yes, this is the life. Whoopee! Look at that go! Nothing beats harvesting the rice, right, pal?
Look at that mess. You call that a harvester? She's my pride and joy, Mr. Wolf, and she works.
You think you're so smart with your fancy machine? These cans work just fine. No, I won't. I'll show you.
Try not to break down. Good luck. Hey, SpongeBob, how about a harvester race?
A race? Oh yeah, let's do it.
All right, get ready.
No, my cans. You'll pay for this.
Ha! You were too slow.
Trash is still just trash. Goodbye, loser.
Oh, my beautiful harvester. It's broken. So sad. I can't fix it. What?
Don't cry, SpongeBob. We can build an even better, more robust reaper together. I promise.
Really, Patrick?
I'll miss this. Yeah, me too.
Look, Patrick, this could be the perfect part. Wow, SpongeBob, a whole new harvester? We'll build the best one ever. I think I got it now.
Oh, Patrick, it's working!
Just one more turn.
You did it!
Yeah!
You got it, Patrick. Keep going. Almost there.
It's loose.
Whoa!
It did it.
I did it! Wow, Patrick, you're amazing! Ha! Look at that! Finally fits! Hey! Wow, Patrick, it looks perfect! I told you I could arrange the gears! We got everything we need for the new harvester! Yeah, these parts are perfect. It's gonna be amazing! And the ingredients we harvested are top-notch! Okay, Patrick, see here? This is the centrifugal force mechanism.
What?
It spins to collect the jelly. Watch.
I don't get it.
Nice work, Patrick. That's really coming together. Thanks. I was worried I'd mess it up. It's perfect.
Careful, Patrick. That's heavy.
Don't worry, SpongeBob. I've got this.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Like a charm, SpongeBob. Like a charm.
Wow, you're a natural, Patrick. Let's see.
Perfect fit.
Hooray!
Almost there. Whoa, be careful. Done. That was incredible.
I'll just finish this wheel well here.
Amazing work, Patrick.
And now for the final touch.
Looking good, Patrick. Just adding the finishing touches, SpongeBob. Woo!
Wow, it's perfect.
Look at that shine!
Nothing but the best for the new harvester.
Cheers. Analyzing parameters, adjusting flow rate to optimal levels, inputting data, recalibrating sensors.
Cross-reference.
All right, SpongeBob, up and away!
Woohoo! Thanks!
Easy win.
Hey, Bob! Hello there, Mr. Bob! What is that? A brand new harvester? No way! It looks even better than mine!
Don't get cocky, kitten. Let's race and see who wins.
What is that?